Some of these weigh more than buildings, and as the tide goes up and down, they're gonna shift and move around. This clear water can disappear, or worse yet, you can get squished in between two big icebergs. Place is just full of seals and sea otters. I've seen like 20 of them. This ice pack goes on forever. Ice that comes from the bottom of the glacier is super compressed and has that really cool blue color. The fog lifted and I can see the face of the glacier. The tide switches in about an hour and a half, and it's taken me 3 hours to get here, so I better get heading back. I know I'm hungry when I'm double fisting it. Oh, that kayaking wore me out. That was about 5 hours. Yeet. Well, it's almost dinner time and I got some bread dough left over, so I think I'm gonna make a Bushcraft bread oven. Got the oven stuffed full of wood, got the dough rising in the pot.